sponsored by Model Makers Workshop. Need parts for your next model project? Model Makers Workshop has you covered with the best aftermarket accessories around. And by Gallery, your one-stop shopping for all your airbrush needs.
Hello, this is Ken, and thank you for tuning in to the Model Building and Retirement channel. Boy, I'll tell you what, the year is closing very fast. We're only a few days before Christmas. So from my house to yours, I wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And I thought it would be fun to take a little time and do a video to recap my year in 2025, because it was my return to model building from my childhood years. So after some 45-year break in January of 2025, I built my first model kit. And I have since built 28 of them, which are going to all be featured in a little slideshow coming up here in just a few minutes. But it was a lot of fun building the kits, and it just turned into a hobby. Especially, I started as a hobby for the winter months, just kind of get me going, and ended up I carried it throughout the entire year. And then on May 9th of 2025, this year, I started my own YouTube channel. And it was for family and friends to be able to follow my model building hobby. And you guys have all become my friends too. I mean, I've got to know so many of you. I've met so many of you at the shows or whatnot. But let me give you some stats for my channel, because I never in my wildest dreams thought that this was going to happen. But, started in May of this year, and here we are, end of December. And I have over 5,200 subscribers to my channel. And I know that that's actually a small number, because I know a lot more people are watching my videos. So if you haven't subscribed, hit the button down below and get subscribed. It costs you absolutely nothing. But here's some cool stats. All my content altogether has gained 270,000 views, which equals 46,000 hours of watched content. And my subscribers are in 29 countries. 29 countries. Amazing. I'm all over the world, folks. I just can't even wrap my mind around that. It's so incredible. And I'm getting to know all you guys. It's so much fun. Here's a statistic, needs improved. 2.5% of my viewers are female. I think that's a pretty low number, because that probably includes my wife, Debbie. Actually, I'm not sure if she's really subscribed or watches my channel. I don't know for sure, but ladies, you got to pick it up a little bit. Need some more female viewers in the channel. And demographics, age group. Let's talk about that a little bit. Kind of gives you an idea too. Of course, the name of my channel is Model Building in Retirement, so maybe that's attracting the older crowd, I'm sure. But here's the demographics. 65 and plus viewers equals 40% of my viewers. 55 to 64 category is 37% of my viewers. The 45 to 54-year-olds is 17%. 33 to 44-year-olds is 5%. And of the 25 to 34-year-olds, 0.9%. So I'm not attracting the youngins so much, but I'm sure it's the fact that I'm an old man and have retirement in my name of my channel. But anyways, I want to thank you all so very, very, very much for making this happen, because in my wildest dreams, when I retired in October 2024, I wasn't thinking model building. I wasn't thinking YouTube channel. Just none of this was in my plans. I was just going to enjoy time and ride my motorcycle and just sleep in and just do what I felt like doing, which I still do. And this is what I feel like doing as well. But I had no inkling that I was going to do this, and then to have a YouTube channel and followers and stuff like that, it's crazy. And then, of course, I went to many shows this year, and a lot of fun going to the shows. It sure keeps you on your game, because you're exposed to builders out there that are way more talented than you. So it just gives you something to strive for. But the most funnest and rewarding part of the going to the shows is you guys that have recognized me and got to know me a little bit on the YouTube channel and coming up to me and saying hi. And I cannot tell you how much I enjoy meeting you and talking to you. It is so cool that I have fans and followers. They say that when you retire, your circle of friends diminishes because your coworkers are busy working and not too many people have the time to keep up with retired people, and you're not in their daily lives like you were at work. But, you know, I've gained 5,200 new friends. So to me, my circle of social life has grown dramatically, and I've had a lot of fun. So anyways, enough of that. I do plan on continuing, folks. You guys have inspired me. The growth is incredible. I'm hoping to hit 10,000 subscribers next year. It's not really important to have that number, but, you know, why not pick a goal? I'm really having fun at it. And so let's talk about the 28 models that I built. Many of them are behind me here on the display shelf. I think 3 of them have been gifted away, so they're not all here, but I do have photos of them in my slideshow coming up. And what I'm going to show you in the slideshow, they're all in order from my first model to my most recent. And I think you're going to see, as well as I probably do, that I got a little bit better with each model. And I did a similar video earlier in the year where I did my first 12 builds, but now it's 28 builds. So they're, you know, I'm going to summarize them all here. But I think I got a little bit better with each one. I still got a long ways to go. But, you know, I think not bad for a guy who just began building this year. So anyways, folks, please enjoy my little slideshow of my videos. Feel free to comment below. And I got a lot more content coming to you in 2026. And I'm having so much fun doing this. So I'm not going anywhere, folks. Stick around and you know, we'll have fun together. So once again, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to you all, from my house to yours.